So here is the new studio. I'm about to pick it up. I've got some work to do, legends, but I can see it. It's a lot smaller than 40 foot. This is a 10-foot caravan, but it's almost a studio. It's almost a studio. We can get this done. So here it is, the new YouTube review room. Unfortunately, it's not 40 foot, it's 10 foot, but I think we can make it work. So, next plan is now to clean up some space. It's going to live over here, so I can pull it out when need be, but now we need to clean up some space. Yeah, legends, so a quick update on the slot shed. If you have been following the channel, we don't have the freight container video to come on that. I am still trying to get my money back. I'm fighting these bastards. Sorry for the swearing, but it has really hit the channel in the old budgets. But I couldn't let the channel down. I almost thought about stopping because of course we just ran out of money. Got this as an absolute bargain, so I do want to thank the seller. I'm not going to tell you who it is, but let's have a look. So we've got some work to be done. It is a vintage 10-foot caravan. As you can see, it's been reskinned, so we've got no bay windows at the front. Perfect for us because we want to make it as a studio. We can't store too much in there, but it's going to be a recording studio. We do have all the edgings and features I need to finish off most of the outside. As you can see here, this has been waterproofed up until there, and there's some spots that we do have to work on underneath as well. I'm going to clean the frame up. It towed really well. Also, we've got the door, it's been hung. I do have to fill that out with whatever it needs to be. It used to be a metal grate. I think I will still use that, but I am thinking about sound deadening. We'll get our magpies when I come have a look at our new little house. Window on the outside, gas shocks, no problem. I will tint that so we can have some air freshening in there, some air con, thanks to the wind. We've got some removable lights on the back so it can be towed once it's on the road. As you can see, it's not in bad condition. We've got a lot of the edgings already been done. It's pretty much just the front and around the wheel arches. This window is broken in regards to the glass. Not a problem because I'll probably black that one out too. Do have the frames, got the shocks, got some more skin that we can still use. So a lot of material came with it. As you can see, that's the rest of the shed. Before we go inside, what is the plan with this? Well, I did get it very, very cheap, hence why I dived on it. I do want a studio that we can record in, so I can do my news, I can record small stuff in there, and this can now be pushed around in the shed and stored in the right hand side corner. I will talk about outside in the tick. For now, we'll be stored in the shed. We'll clean all this out now that we have a studio that I can work on. All the tracks will be coming in here, but we do have a studio. But before we go and have a look inside, let's talk about what I might do outside with it. Again, we're working on budgets here. I'm thinking about building some kind of decking here where I can reverse it up. Unfortunately, the door is on the wrong side, but that's okay. Reverse it up and then have it facing the shed, or reverse it into some kind of man cave section so it becomes part of a bigger place. But at the moment, I might try and have it living there once it's watertight. Now let's go look inside. So this was going to be used as a photo booth, and I'll just pop my head in. It is very small. It is 10 foot, but you will see it is perfect for us. So of course, back bench, we've got storage underneath that. I will finish that off. The walls, I'll be using some sound deadening stuff to finish off the walls. I love this paneled wall. We do have to push it back, and I'll show you why in a tick. TV used to hang there. I will have a TV in here because I love video games. So it will be a gaming setup as well. Got some down lights that we can still play with. I mean, they're already there. We just have to wire them up. Cover the wheel arches, fix up the floor with some nice checker plate lino, or we'll figure out something. Lots of parts and pieces in here to finish off the windows. That is the other window. It's broken, as you can see. Fix that, no problem. Lots of sound deadening, lots of paint. Now this wall, if I can step back, as you can see, this wall is already done. I like that finish where it looks like it's not finished. I love that. Used to be a TV in here, but you might not be able to see. As you can see, that is the end of the caravan. So I'm thinking about pushing this wall back as far as I can to say here, just enough to get wires behind for the TV, because I don't really need all this space in here. As you can see, we have a little door but I don't need all this space. So I'm going to take away that wall and push it back as far as I can, and then we'll create some more space in here. So I know it's not a freight container. Apologies everyone, that was an absolute shitstorm. And again, sorry for the words, but I had to promise the channel something. We've got something to work on. Positivity is back. What's your thoughts? Let me know in the comments, because I'm excited. I hope this is going to turn out to be better than the container. Of course, it's not going to cost me as much now that I've lost all that money. So please let me know. Again, this is a random buy. I had to do something, otherwise I probably would have stopped the channel, because it did hit home pretty hard. Again, the channel doesn't make any money, and that was money that I could not lose, but I couldn't stop. We've worked so hard all together on the channel. We're growing it, we're growing the hobby, we're helping others, we're helping other content creators, and I think the hobby deserves the content that we're putting out. So wish me luck, stay tuned. This will eventually go on the road, so I might go to some car shows, try and interview people about their cars that they bring as well. So try and use it as like a multi-stage thing, not just the slot cars, but I'm pretty excited. I've got a bounce in my step. I don't want to stop. Let's keep going, and let's push the channel to 10K. Let's get to the 10K, and let's keep promoting the hobby. But as always, add that slot car guy on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Rumble, all those great places. You will see, I don't know, what should we name it? Can you please name it for me? Let me know what this could be, but be safe, take care, support your local. Bye.